We're going to try and have a little bit of fun today, so it's going to go pretty quickly. The topic is harvesting BIM to build informed environments, and this is about the entire life cycle. We're going to go end to end. We're obviously going to be skipping over some things pretty quickly, but we want to demonstrate from a life cycle perspective and from an asset management perspective how important it is to think in terms of data flowing from end to end, all the way from the owners through design, construction, and into the digital twin world of managing and maintaining assets for the life cycle. And we want to also think in terms of how do we keep things simple? Because if you think about the entire life cycle, there's a lot of complexity. A lot of the groups that we work with are asset owners. As architects, we're interested in working with others in the AEC industry, but we also feel that asset owners have a huge voice in how to maintain and manage assets over the life cycle. So we really think that starting with the asset owner and working with them to get to this digital twin world, how do we think in terms of a single building or entire city? How do you look at trees and buildings and all kinds of assets? So if we start from thinking in terms of asset management and total cost of ownership, the owners obviously have the finances and budget to build. They need space and resources for people. They need space as a valuable asset that supports the organization. It's that between the walls, what drives the functionality of the organization, whether it's a city or a college or even a single house for that matter. There's a concept of time. There's a past, things that happened in the past that worked, that didn't work. The future is being predicted in the current state. There are physical assets, equipment that needs to be maintained as one example. We want to look at energy for the life cycle. And we want to look at not only single buildings, but entire portfolio, entire cities or entire regions. The ISO standards are perfect for being able to thread through all of these needs, and the Asset Leadership Network is really leading a lot of this discussions.